You may be seated.
Please be seated. We're on the record in Brennan Nash versus Lake County Trust 4276 concerning parcel number 45-08-33479-010.000-004. Let's see, Attorney Svetnoff, you appear. Who's your client?
On behalf of the trust, Your Honor, and the beneficiary of the trust, Demetrius Vlahos.
Okay. And we're set for bench trial. Did you see the latest appearance? Anybody? You know anything about that?
I was informed by Mr. Svetnoff that Rinzer Williams had entered an appearance.
Yeah, what do you know about this?
Your Honor, I know absolutely nothing about it. I just found out about it last week. I was never served with notice of it.
Yeah, it doesn't appear that you were.
Your Honor, but I've had extensive conversations with Attorney Wiley on this matter, and I think what it comes down to is there was deficiency in the notices to start out on this case. There was like 9 parcels that had come up for tax sale and Mr. Nash had bought. Out of the 9 parcels, all of them were defective in terms of the notification to the, I think, the affected substantive parties in the matter. And, Your Honor, I think the county's going to probably make a motion.
Judge, back on the December court call, the cattle call, he was on there. We checked those notices, the initial notices, and he got a 120 extension on all of them, other than this one, because Mr. Svetnoff entered an appearance. And so what probably should have happened was an extension at that time for that one as well. We were going to object to a tax deed, regardless, because the notices were bad from the outset. So what I would suggest for today is just the denial of the petition for tax deed. It was set for bench trial. I don't know why they're not here. Did Mr. Williams indicate he was going to be here, or did he know about the hearing?
I just have as an appearance.
Yeah. Honor's position, Judge, is the tax deed cannot issue based on lack of proper notices at the outset, and therefore, rather just to get the thing resolved, is just an order denying issuance of tax deed today, and Mr. Williams can get a hold of me as far as if there's going to be a refund or not, or if he wants to just get an extension. He can ask for an extension of redemption or whatever he's going to ask for. But as of for today's purposes, just a denial of the tax deed.
Attorney Svetnoff?
Your Honor, we fully agree with Lake County Auditor's position in this matter, Your Honor.
Okay.
I'll prepare the order, Judge.
Yes.
In 14 days, I'll supply Mr. Svetnoff with a copy of it. It'll be denial of tax deed. And my standard, judges, when they don't appear for these hearings and they've made objection or they've not filed the proper notices, is a tax deed denial with no refund under the statute, because they failed to even do any of the notices at all. And so you're aware, Judge, the last cattle call hearing, Mr. Nash, he had the 9 parcels. He didn't even show up at the hearing. And again, he's not here again today. So I'll do the order, tax deed denied with no refund. And if they want to object or fight that later, they have an opportunity to do that.
All right, denied and show order filed within 14 days.
Very good, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yep, you're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too. All right. Tashelle Johnson. Is Tashelle Johnson here?
Yeah.
Tashelle Johnson, Phoenix Household Solutions. 45-08-18-277.003.000-004. Tashelle Johnson fails to appear. Phoenix Household Solutions fails to appear. Set for bench trial. I think this is a repeated failing to appear. We just set it for a bench trial, so
Same thing, Judge, tax deed denied.
denied, order filed in 14 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and then Lake County Trust 6139 versus Adonia Community Services 45-08-222-357-011.000-004 and 45-10-305-001.000-004. Lake County Trust appears by their representative, Ms. Credlow. Adonia Community Services, anybody here? Adonia Community Services fails to appear. Appears they were served with an order setting it for bench trial. We ready to proceed?
I've not heard anything from anybody.
Okay. Do you have any evidence to submit?
No, I do not, sir.
You don't want a deed?
Oh, I do want these. They were already reviewed, and I have court order and file.
Okay, do you, Attorney Wiley?
Yeah, no objection to tax deed.
Okay, all right. We'll show them granted then. And the orders have been filed?
Pardon me?
Orders have been filed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
you're welcome.
There's Margaret's, yeah. That's it.
That appears to be, are they here on the call today?
I don't think so.
Let's go off the record. That concludes today's call.
Good night.